In Stories, you can now automatically cut longer videos into 15-second increments. So you'll just select a video that's longer than 15 seconds. And as you see right down here, you will have the video now split into 15-second increments or less. So you can still edit each video just like you normally would. You can tap and add text and hashtags and GIFs and all that good stuff. And then to tap onto the next clip, just select it down at the bottom, and you can also edit that one, kind of batch edit it all together before you would tap next and send it out to your stories or wherever. Let's say you don't want all of the video. You were videoing your cat and it gets kind of boring after 15 seconds. Well, then just tap again on the clip that you do not want, like kind of tap 2 times. Then you tap the trash can, and there you go. You just have the clip that you want. So that's a nice feature as well. You can also multi-select clips now. So tap the multi-select button right here, tap the clips that you want to add and photos. Then you see them down here and you tap next. And now you can go through and you can edit each clip as needed and go ahead and batch edit these clips and photos before you tap next and decide where you're going to send your story clips.